markets. I've just discovered that I love Turkish coffee. I'm chilling out on my own after my first day in Cairo. I'm going to crash something serious later because I haven't slept properly. I've got a ridiculous haircut. And this is the view that I'm enjoying right now. Not bad, huh? Finally starting to chill out and enjoy and relax.